I'm Mandy. Hopefully you've received your kit and you've opened up your kit and you're maybe wondering about what's in the kit and how the shape is supposed to work. So the shape, the material that you have, I've got yellow neoprene here, which is quite stretchy, but the material that you have, I think we've got some pleather and some felt. But you should have something that looks like this, which is like a big vase shape. And essentially the way that this is going to work is that the shape folds in half. It's actually lifted from, I took the shape more or less from my dog's actual coat. So it folds in half, and this fold here is going to go across your dog's back. And at some point here on the fold, you're going to make a cut. We didn't make a cut because dogs are all different sizes and their heads are all in different places. So we've left it up to you around where you make the cut, a straight cut along here to fit your dog's head in. And then what happens is this bit at the front here will tuck under her legs, like that. See? Tuck under her legs, and if you come here at this side, Joe, you're going to stitch just a couple of little stitches just here, and then the same on the other side, and that will hold her coat on.